Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks real quickly. I just made a video on this macro by Eskimo where adjust objects retain position. And I don't know what the gentleman that needed help's situation was or his drawing. But, you know, if you had a bunch of stuff on the page, you'd have to select all this stuff to group them to get them out of the way. Well, we don't have to do that. If we go to find and replace and select the rectangle that we want to do from selected and select find all and then Control G to group them together. My nudge factor is, I need to get it off the page, so I'm going to set it on 55 inches. And I'm going to select that and I'm going to get them out of the way. Now I need to ungroup them for this to work. And I'm going to select these and I'm going to open up Eskimo macro. And I put a link, but I'll put a link to it again under this macro. And this time we're going to actually just make them smaller. They're 5 by 5, so we're going to make them 4 by 4. And we're going to go right here. And if we go center, it's going to actually make them smaller from the center. And then you don't have to group them together. You can just select them all and then move them back. So now you have 4-inch. If we check it out, it's 4 by 4. And you could do that with any size. That's the only way I know around it is to do this right here, because they've got to be individual, because if you group them together, it'll change it. So now let's make them 2 by 2. Well, let's make them 2 by 4 and just hit enter. And then just nudge them back over and you've got that shape. And I'll put a link again to this macro underneath in the description. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.